We'll guide you through how to understand Printify Premium pricing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printify website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. Then select Settings from the drop-down menu. In the settings, find and click on the subscription tab. Here, you'll see the details of Printify Premium. This plan is designed to help you save money if you're making a lot of sales. It offers a discount on all products, which can be particularly beneficial if you have a high volume of orders. The subscription is billed annually, so be sure to check the cost and ensure it fits your budget before committing. The savings from the discounts can really add up, making it a great option if you're scaling your business. If you're unsure whether Printify Premium is right for you, consider your current sales volume. If you're selling a lot, the savings can outweigh the subscription cost. However, if your sales are currently low, it might be best to stick with the free plan until your business grows. Keep an eye on the total cost of your orders to see if switching to premium could increase your profit margins. Remember, investing in the premium plan should ultimately help you save more than you spend on the subscription itself. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.